All right, I just got a new toy. Let's check it out. Welcome to Noah's Ark Install Homestead. I'm going off the grid. Okay, let's open this thing up. Here's your manual. That's a kind of adapter. RV adapter. Funnel. Ah, maybe some kind of tools. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, what is this? Yeah, let's check out this control panel here. Sweet. 2 plug-ins. Big one probably connect to your house for emergency. I can even charge a 12-volt battery. That might be good for my solar stuff. And I think I'm gonna like this quick start, because this one must actually be a little bit newer version that I've seen in the past. I've seen the other one, the gauge was actually up here, and the old thing actually had a quick turn thing, and now it's a screwdriver. But at least it comes with a screwdriver. Looks like it's a double. That's kind of neat. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. This newer one, they definitely made the this wing bigger, so that was easier to actually twist out. That was actually a nice surprise. Okay. And I remember on the, I guess the older model, this battery was on this side. So yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure how well how do you even pour anything is completely sideways. Okay, I feel kind of dumb now. I just figured out it had another piece to it, so that's gonna really make it easier. Okay, I do like this new function. They didn't have this on the other one. The other one, you had actually unscrew a bolt that was down here, and I always had a hard time finding the nut driver to get it, and or extender with the ratchet. But this is all. That's a nice upgrade right here. That's gonna make it a lot easier to do the oil change. So the instructions actually say to put 10W30, but I'm gonna go ahead and put 5W30 because I'm about to go into winter time, and I believe that's gonna keep the oil from being too thick on cold days to help it run better. Okay, now that I found some level ground, let me put some oil in this thing. Put it in there and you're good. Oh dang, I overfilled it. But at least they put a nice plug down here in the bottom here. You can see that. Where it just kind of goes down and out. Well, dang. I got it over me. Well, maybe you can see that. I have it 3/4 on the stick here. I'm going to go with that. Okay, for next fun part, let's try getting this compartment here. And hook up these quick start battery. What was that? Let's find out. I think that's for the battery terminal. Okay. That must have been what fell off. He's here. Take these off here. Where's the wires? Here we go. It's black on black, and there's the red one. All right. Let's get a screwdriver. Okay, let's fit this back in here. Okay. Make sure we have this down here. There we go. And we got this strap here. Fits in there. Okay, there's like a little pull thing. Okay. Then that's ready to go. This thing here isn't lining up too well. It's just not here. Or is it just how it's made? Huh. Hopefully that won't give a problem with the rain. I feel like it should be sliding in on that lip right there, but I don't think it's doing it. All right, we about to rock and roll now. Now it does say, you know, use only 10%. But it also says instructions to use stabilizers. But I'm using ethanol-free gas, so I'm hoping that'll help it actually last longer and not really have to use the stabilizers. But I may do further research on that. So let's start this thing up. I like this push button here. All right, and kind of revving, huh? Oh, there it goes. Like this, no amps. Go just hours. Brand new. I wonder how well you can hear me over it. Shows how super quiet it should be. So you can see how quiet that's supposed to be. I'm about 20 feet away, you can see. I wonder how well you can hear me talk over it. Let me I'll be quiet for a minute and hear it purr. Yeah. And I'm just kind of letting it run for a minute before I plug anything in, just to kind of get it self-adjusted before I actually put any load on it. And then we go inside and I can kind of show you what I can run with it. Okay, yeah, now I'm about 50 feet away. I'm gonna let it run and so you can kind of hear what it sounds like from over this far. Let's see what we got in this bag. Here's the got the RV ready adapter. Okay, it's nice, and that goes with the DC plug that was on here. Well, you can do all kinds of stuff. I don't know how much you can see. It says you can run your refrigerator, AC, space heater, water pump, pretty much all the power tools. I'm not really seeing a table saw, which is what I need to use it for. I don't know. I might try it out to show you if how well a table saw will work on here. All right, let's get a load on this thing. I'm gonna plug in my Harbor Freight rock tumbler. Let's see here. See how many amps that would pull. Turn it on here. Yeah, got that going. Let's check the amp. 5 amps. Wow. 5 amps running that. Yeah, this now I got the rock tumbler and the fridge. I'm gonna turn the fridge up on its highest. It go there. And then I'm also gonna, I got the small window unit. I'm gonna turn it all the way to the highest. Max cool high cool. So that's highest that'll go. And let's go. Let's see here. Let's see. The amps actually went down, I think, after they got settled. Yeah, can you hear the generator while I'm inside? I bet the air conditioner sounds louder than the generator. So it's not like those construction generators that are super loud. I think it's going to work out for me. And okay, let's see here. We're going to give it a little oil change. I guess I'm going to prop it up on its edge of the wood here. And okay, let's open this thing up here. And I really like this new addition here, because this, on the old ones, you had to actually unscrew that nut all the way back here. So let's see how this works. I'm gonna try to catch the oil here. Oh, that's pretty dark. Okay, actually what I'm going to do is try to push it down that hole. And hopefully that'll help it drain better. Okay, that didn't work out. When I had it down in there, it felt like it was kinked up real bad. So I'm going to try something else. I'm going to maybe fit the bottle all the way over it and then lean it, maybe. Let's try that. Okay, leaning it seems to be doing the trick here. Alright. Okay, my battery died, but I think I'll get the point. Conclusion, my main thing to suggest is get the warranty. Harbor Freight is very good about taking back their stuff if anything goes wrong, and never had a problem with them, and that's one of the best things I can think of. Hey guys, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe, maybe even leave a comment. These videos are for entertainment and inspirational purposes, only to inspire you. Have a blessed day.